Today lesson number 8, internet searching and surfing. So this chapter will be coming in periodic test 2. So we will start this chapter right now. So the first topic is internet. Its definition is written here. Internet definition: Internet is a collection of computers connected to each other all over the world. What is the meaning of this one? Means internet is a collection of computers connected to each other. Means all over the world, when computers are connected to each other, means they can share the data, they can share the information. The data and information can be in any form. It can be in the form of text, it can be in the form of video, audio, pictures, messages. It can be in the form of anything. When you are sharing from one computer to another computers, when the computers are connected, that is what we call internet. Next, coming to the various internet services. What are the services that internet is providing? The first services that internet is providing is news and information. Obviously, when you open an internet all over the world, what is happening currently, what is happening, that news you will be getting on the internet. But in the newspaper, means the one day before news you will get it today. So you can see all the news and information related to the politics, related to the science, related to the sports, related to any matter. All the news and informations are available on internet. Second, online shopping. Everybody knows, children, this one, online shopping. You can do online shopping also from the internet. Whatever the product you have to buy it, just you can order it, it will reach at your home. Next, mails and chatting. Obviously, children, we are doing messages to different persons every day. At your home also you might be doing the messages. That is what we call chatting. Mails means we can send the email, we can send the letter, we can send the cards to different persons who are living far away. That is what we call mails. So mails and chatting is also one of the services provided by the internet. Now, video conferencing. It is a communication between the persons visually. Visually? It needs a device called web camera. What is the meaning of this one, children? Whenever your relative is sitting far away somewhere in different countries or somewhere in different cities in India, you can see them and you can talk to them visually. That is what we call video conferencing. Visually मतलब देख करके बातें करना, means you can see and you can talk to them. So for this you need a device called web camera. If you are having a desktop at your home, then web camera is must. But if you are having the mobile, you are having the laptop, in there inbuilt camera is there. With that you can do the video conferencing very easily. Even on the mobile also, in the WhatsApp also, you can do the video calling. Next, health and fitness. Children, health and fitness also you can get an advice from the doctors on the internet. You will be connected to the doctors, they will be advising you. Like in Corona, so many persons were in home isolation. They were getting the advice from the doctors. How come? With the help of the internet facilities that they were having. So it will help you in health and fitness also. Now, tourism and travel. Obviously, children, whenever we are planning for a tour, we have to book a ticket for the train, plane or the buses, or we have to book the hotels also over there where we are going to stay. So this everything can be done online. So online we can book the tickets, online we can book the rooms of the hotels. So it also helps in travel and tourism. Online education. Now, children, online education has become a passion. For example, Byju's. Byju's also is a type of an online education site that you have to register it and pay it some money. So Byju's is also helping in online education. So by sitting at home, you can see the teacher who are teaching in the board and in your school. By sitting at home you can learn it. That is what we call online education. The Google Meet which we are doing it, I am sitting at the school and you are sitting at your home, still you are studying. Why? Because I am taking the classes with the help of an internet. So in online education also helps in education. It is a type of a distance learning, children. Now come to the topic online education. Its definition: it is known as distance learning and consists of taking classes through internet. Obviously, children, it is a distance learning where I am sitting and where you are sitting. There is a lot of a distance between us, but still we are talking to each other. I am making you learn, I am teaching you the topics, whatever it is given in the book. So that is what we call online education. Now, browser. What is the meaning of browser? It is an application software which is used to open a website. Example, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. These all are the browsers, children. What is the meaning of this one? Means whenever the web page is there on the internet, you are searching for the Google. When you will type the Google on the internet, Google page will appear on your screen. How come? With the help of the browser. It displays the web page on your screen. There are so many types of browser: Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. These are all the browsers. Now, one important note: the Internet Explorer is commonly used browser developed by Microsoft Corporation. I mean, Internet Explorer was developed by Microsoft Corporation, and the latest version of Internet Explorer is Internet Explorer 11, that is IE11. That is the current version of Internet Explorer. So children, this was in the current video for today. Please do go through the video and go through the topics in the book. Thank you children. See you. Be healthy, fit and fine. Thank you children.